It's time to learn once again on arguably the best subject in the world. Now, we have almost concluded modular arithmetic, and then just one thing is left, which is simple equation of modular arithmetic. So imagine I had a question like this. Let's start with this question as number one. At x plus 5, it's equal to 2 mod 7. Now, as simple as this question is, it's also tricky. So do not make a mistake by saying, oh, you take this 5 over to here, you minus, and you get your answer. No, it doesn't work that way. So rather, this is what you will do. Look at this number here. This number is called constant, a number that does not have a variable, and it has to be on the left-hand side. So you look at this constant here. What number will I add to this constant to get 7? Note, you're operating with mode 7, so you have to be considerate with respect to what mode are you working with. So that number will be 2. So if I add 2 to 5, I will have 7. And 7 in mode 7 is 0. So it therefore means here would now become 0. And now the left with x will be equal to, I'll add that 2 also to this side. And that gives me 4 mode 7. And I will stop here because this is my answer. It's as simple as that. Okay, now let's look at another question. So I have that this is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 4 rather, it's equal to 5 mod 7. So let's see how we can solve this. So this is what we'll simply do. The same pattern we use for here. What number will I add to 4 to make it 7? I'm depending on the mode. And that number will be 3. So when I add 3 to this, if I add 3 to this, it's going to give me 7, which is going to be 0 in mode 7. So I'll be left with 2x will be equal to, when I add 3 to this, I will have 8. So here will be 8 mod 7. So what will I do? In this case, now you can see that 8 is out of the set of residue for mode 7. So I'll just simply divide. 8 divided by 7, we're going to have 1 remainder 1. So I'm picking the remainder. It therefore means that 2x is equal to 1 mod 7. Well, now note, this is not the final answer. The next thing we'll now do is, it should take our mind back to what we did yesterday. So what we'll just simply do is, I'll look out for a number that, when I multiply that number to 2, it's going to give me 1 in mode 7. So it's a trial and error method like we did yesterday. So start again. So 2 times 1 will give us 2. So you can see it's not 1. So try the next one. 2 times 2 will give us 4. We've not got what we're looking for yet. So we have that 2 times 3 is giving us 6. We've not gotten it yet. And then 2 times 4 is 8. 8 divided by 7 will be 1, remainder 1. So this is 1, what we're looking for. And the number we're using getting that was what? Was 4. So what we'll now do here is that we'll just say 2. It therefore means that this is now going to be, because 2 times 4 is going to give us 1. It means that we are just left with x. So x here will be equal to, then we'll multiply that answer we got to this. 1 times 4 is going to give us 4 mod 7, and that is the answer. Okay, so try this one quickly on your own. 2x plus 1 equal to 3 mod 4. Thank you for following today's class. See you in the next class. Bye for now.